Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to start live on TikTok 2025. So to do that, let's head over to a TikTok application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then what you need to do is just to head over to the plus icon right here, and then you can just you will find an option of live. If you can't find it, all you need to do is just to go back and head over to this profile option. Now go to the three lines icon on the top right, then go to settings and privacy. From here, go to live and go to live events. And here, if you can't find to host a live, you can just scroll down and go to report a problem, and then go to live section, then go to hosting live, and here go to how to start a live, and here you will find how you can start a live. So go to no, as we didn't find the live option. Go to need more help. Here TikTok will give you a support section. It says, hi, what do you need help with, and please select the type of issue you're facing. So we are facing issue with live. So as you can see, here are some frequently asked questions, and our question is, I cannot start a live. So as you can see, unfortunately, going live currently is unavailable for me due to the following reasons. That is, this feature is currently unavailable in my region. So they are working on expanding the availability. So yeah, this is the reason I'm currently not able to run a live on TikTok. But if your country is enabled, then all you need to do is just to tap on the plus icon. Let me show you again. This is the plus icon right here, and then you will find the live section. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.